Hey, if you're a Gmail user, I want to show you a quick tip to hide your inbox, just like you're seeing on my screen now. It's completely white, which is perfect to boost my productivity and keep me efficient. Why do I do this? Because I get a lot of emails coming through from subscriptions to team to clients. And what I want to do is avoid a distraction so I can focus on my to-do list so I get more done throughout the day without going back to my inbox and getting distracted. What often happens with me is that, for example, I could be in a meeting or I could be doing some really high level work, and then I need to go to my inbox to check for something, to get a quote or to get a phrase or something. And then I see these emails come through and I then refocus and then start replying to those emails. So I've now hidden this inbox so I can only see it if I click on show inbox like this, and then my emails will then pop up. So to do this feature, all you need to do is go to Google and type in inbox when ready for Gmail. As you can see, this is a Chrome extension, and what it's doing is going to protect your focus by hiding your inbox by default, and it takes 30 seconds to do. So Google that, and then you want to go down to inbox when ready for Gmail, and then you're going to press the blue button to install it. And then what I love about this is that there's so much extra settings that you can tweak for your preference. So some examples of that will be schedule. So if you're someone that says, okay, I only want to check my inbox at 9 in the morning and then towards the end of the day at 4 p.m., do not give me access between 9:30 to 4. You can set those times and configure it, and it will lock you out between those times. Obviously, if there's an emergency, you can take those off, but it's just an extra precaution just to avoid you getting into that syndrome where you want to reply to every email the instant it comes into your inbox. The other feature which I think is super cool is you can do the inbox whitelist, so that if there's a specific urgent email that you're waiting for, a specific person that you must see the emails for, you can add their domain or their email address in here to ensure those emails still filter through, but all the other ones are hidden. There's great other features in here as well, but it's a free tool. It takes 30 seconds to set up, and it just makes your life so much easier. So go ahead and install that and let me know what you think.